Today, I'd like to talk on the topic artificial intelligence. In the different aspects of the students and being a human, you should understand the presence and the dominance of artificial intelligence in the humanity life. Respected dignitaries and my beloved friends, I'd like to talk in this great occasion of Ad Salvia. I'd like to talk on the topic emerging of artificial intelligence in the humanity and the carnaging of the human skills. The last Economic Times news says that the presence of the artificial intelligence in the present world will decrease the unemployment for 40% in the world. I like to say that artificial intelligence is not a modern phenomenon. It's back to the 1960s. Artificial intelligence was there in the 1960s. And as the study states that according to the inculcation of artificial intelligence in the present world, the students are being introvert in using their minds and mentality by using the technology in their lives. Actually, there was a lot of theories in the education, such as the human skills are inculcating from their education and knowledge. And there was a lot of theories in education, such as brick-mortar theory. Brick-mortar theory specifies the education of the students for different categories like LP, UP, high school, higher secondary. And these kind of categories of studies are being demolished and being roasted by this simple thing, artificial intelligence. Because artificial general intelligence specifies the students to a simple category. For example, we are learning about the digestion process in the 7th class with a 1 year. We are studying that, we are eating a thing, going to mouth, and our small intestine, large intestine, and this process, a student is going to a metaverse, and he's touching the stomach, he's touching the small intestine, large intestine, and he's experiencing everything. Being this thing is an advantage to our studying curriculum, but this rose and it demolished the whole process of our education. And this educational process is the basis of a human, because education of the human can lead him to be a man. A humanity is the presence of his mind, his knowledge, and the technology gives it a faster and a simple working. I like to say about the UNESCO statistics and the facts of the last year, which was a meeting which was held by UNESCO in Delhi. States that the report of States of Educational Report states that the fourth ethical paper of that report says that the presence of the artificial intelligence in just our country, India, decreases the quality and it minimizes the quality of the education. And our country, as the Niti Aayog specifies, and they are taking many studies in this topic, there states that as a country, India should decrease the presence and application imposing of the artificial intelligence in our country. And the UNESCO says that 40% of students in all the whole world are addicted to these games. And finally, WHO, World Health Organization, says that the addiction and the use of the artificial intelligence in the sake of learning, the sake of education, makes the voice and the wisdom of students as demolished. This is the current facts. Robert Frost says that a teacher is not a trainer. She is a woman who can recognize the pulse of a student. But as we know, the teachers are becoming changed. The teachers are becoming robots. And Albert Einstein says that today you are controlling the artificial intelligence and tomorrow artificial intelligence control you. And that era comes now because the students are in front of the robots and they are experiencing a type of study which is already inculcated and which is stressed upon a particular atrocity that is not using their minds. They are doing their homeworks using artificial intelligence. They are studying everything, stressing upon a single smartphone. And the final study of our India, our country, Niti Aayog, that was an education report, and that says also about the destruction of the students in this particular sector. I'm already stressing upon the education because also the education is the hereafter process of the job is the hereafter process of education. As we know, the artificial intelligence market says that in the 2013, majority of the jobs will be displaced and becoming automated. And this phenomenon is going to happen. And majority of that phenomenon has happened now. Because as we know, the chess competition was held in Russia the last year. And that last year says that the chess competition was held with a robot, and that robot has defeated by a man, a student, and the robot has made many after reactions against that student, and he got to bite that man. This was the phenomenon in the last year chess competition happened in Russia. And I like to say that this kind of processes are happening because of the over controlling and over intelligence of the man. But at the same time, the man should think about his own intelligence. His intelligence makes this kind of artificial intelligence and robots, but he should think his intelligence and his jobs and his existence in this world, because the existence of artificial intelligence decreases the value of that student, decreases the value of the man and humanity in this world, because the world is gonna ruled by the artificial intelligence. I'm going to conclude my words by saying that we can use intelligence and we can make many things. I can interpret that process as that this is a tree. It bears a lot of fruits, rotten fruits and tasty fruits. We should take these tasty things and we should avoid that rotten fruits by decreasing the use of that in our present world. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.